You join me for you? No? Okay. There we are, folks. Potatoes, chilies. Wow, takeaway. Look at this. This is amazing. Amazing. This is what we must promote, isn't it?
Much better now.
Yeah, of course. I'll have a little roti one, please, for me. Yeah. Yeah. Wonderful. Nice. There you go. This is what we need to promote. Yeah, great. Thank you. All there. Thank you, sir. No, I wanted to have some. Yeah. One, please. This is my food, folks. This is my food. And you need to be appreciative of food. Light.
Spicy.
Less spicy. Okay. There we go, folks. This is it. That's the best. The top chef. Go, folks. That's my roti. And he's got me the roti. Fabulous. Amazing. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. They're all laughing. I'm not having chilies. Oh. You can have 5-star, or you can have 10-star. This is what makes human beings evolve into a different level of consciousness. It's not about how glorified, how exaggerated you become in your ideas about food. Food is what makes human beings relate to the very fundamentals. It doesn't matter this Channa. Is it Channa? Channa? Channa and roti that I eat makes me, and equally makes the other human beings, their life reverberate and energize. On this Valentine's Day, I thought I'll have my Valentine's lunch. Wow. That's a restaurant seat, huh? That's the seat. Yes, folks. Hard-working human beings on this earth. They come for lunch. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Nobody is going to be able to know what it means to be a human being unless you are experiencing every element of life that exists on the planet. We all perceive in one thing: well-being and health and good food. Is that right? And good food and health is what we all want.